One of the things banks really struggle with post-merger is identity. How can we communicate the new brand message of this combined either two businesses that were equal that are now together, or folding in another business from another geography? So question number one, who are we post-merger? Second, how do we communicate it? Once we've answered those two, then it's the implementation of that communication through our digital channels, website, mobile, anything online, Facebook you can think of, and in the physical space, which includes the branch, all our ATMs, everything we have locally in a market. Post-merger of two entities that have come together, one of the big challenges, what do we do with all these surplus branches? A lot of times we have redundancies in the branch network. So how do we decide which ones to keep, which ones to close, and where to next? Well, there's two ways to do it. Number one, take the emotion out of it, go for the business case. Loans and deposits. Evaluate every branch post-merger based on the opportunity in the market. Number two, put the emotion back in and decide how this is going to communicate our message to the entire geography. So after we've decided post-merger which branches to keep and which ones to close, the next thought for the management team is where to next. And where to next is driven by opportunity and by staff. So we want to evaluate communities within a short reach of the network we have where we do not have redundancy anymore. Looking for loans and deposit opportunity, and then marrying that with a capable staff person, whether they're business development, whether they're treasury, whether they're operational, to fit with that opportunity. We can't achieve that opportunity if we don't have the team around it. So after a deal closes, we've already talked about one of the big values to the community and the franchise is this brand new branch network, where we've already eliminated all the redundancies and are probably already planning for the next wave of growth. Well, what came along with the branch network post-merger? A lot of surplus headcount in the back office. So you have to think short-term and long-term about this. Short-term, we probably have a lot of immediate redundancies, low-hanging fruit that we can eliminate. Long-term, we're now a bigger business. So we have to plan for what roles are we going to need going forward to support this bigger company. So handling the low-hanging fruit, that's the easy part. Thinking long-term, that's where everybody struggles. Because when it comes to headcount, we're a much bigger company than we were yesterday. So now, as a business and as the C-suite, we have to plan for headcount in the back office at 5, 10, and 20-year increments. Nobody can make the investment for all the headcount we need for a 20-year solution. But we got to plan for it. So the daunting part about addressing headcount is extrapolating growth and the space needs of the staff so that we can address it over short, middle, and long-term needs of the business.